Okay, good morning students. I'm creating this video just in case that you don't know how to work with the classwork number 1 and to create the diagram. It's very easy. As you can see, the only thing that you need to do is to press in this link that I gave you. But of course, that first you need to read the PowerPoint presentation here to know about the topic, okay? Because it's not only to enter to the classwork and without reading the content, you need to read first. Okay, you need to click on this link, or you can do a copy and paste too, and you're gonna enter to the platform appdiagrams.net. You need to create a new diagram. In this case, you're gonna select the type of shapes that you're gonna need. We are working with networks, so we need to select this template. You can choose any one of these examples. I'm gonna work with this one and press create. This is not the only way to do it. If you press and to start a new template, you can click here to add more shapes, and you're gonna have the same template that I showed you before. In this case, network is already selected, so you don't need to add another thing. Okay, when you have the template, of course that this is not the type of diagram that you need to create for my example, so you can delete the shapes that are here. Just click and press delete. And that's it. Okay. Diagram a peer-to-peer network with at least 5 computers. Of course that you need to know what is a peer-to-peer network, and for that you need to read the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, when you already know and what is a peer-to-peer network, you're gonna create one. The only thing that you need to have is the shape that you're gonna need. You can click here, clip art computer, or in another selection you can click part by part to see if you can find the type of shape that you're gonna need. If you do not find the shape that you need, you can do a search here. I need computers, right? So I'm gonna write computers. And here I have some designs that I can use, or I can take one of these computers that are here. I mean, the only thing that you need to take in consideration is that you need to add a shape that looks like a computer. Okay, I want to work with this one, netbook, or instead of this one you can use this one, or this shape, the shape that you want that represent a computer. Okay, as you can see, you can move it, you can change the size of the shape. You can add a name, double click. I'm gonna write laptop 1. You can change the font color of the text, you can increase the size. I mean, you can work with the properties of the shape. Okay, now I'm gonna need another shape, so I need another computer. I can double click here or here, and I'm gonna have another one. If I need another one, just click here, and now I have 4 laptops. Of course that I need to change the text. Here I can put laptop 2 I'm gonna change the number here too. Oops. And 4. You need to create 5, but for this example I'm gonna do only 4. You need another arrow because it's a peer-to-peer network. Okay, something like this. When you finish with your diagram, of course that this is a fast diagram that I did, you can change the size of the arrow here, the thickness, the color. As I told you before, you can work with the properties. Okay, when you finish with that, you need to press File, Export as JPEG. That's an image format. Press Export, and the place that you're gonna save it. In my case, I'm gonna save it in my computer, so I select Device. And now here I have my diagram. I need to copy and paste this diagram in a Word document. So I can right click here, press copiar or copy, and this is my Word document. I'm gonna paste, and that's it. I have the first one. The other one is a dedicated server network. I need to do the same with the link, okay? But of course that now you need to take in consideration that you're gonna work with server computers and a server. So you need to add a server here. You can find different shapes of servers, okay, and add it and create another diagram. Remember that you need to work with the template that I gave you. It's a Word document where you need to follow this direction to have a good format, okay? This is not this is an example. It's not Academy Awards. Could be classwork number 1. Networks.